If you've been following my VRChat tutorials or using any of the assets I've released, like Deck of Cards, Slideshow Pro, or the Horseshoe minigame, then this is for you. Welcome to the Akira Asset Showcase, a public VRChat world where you can preview and interact with every asset I've released, and even some that aren't out yet. Everything here is fully functional. You can test the logic, see how things behave in multiplayer, and decide if it's right for your own world before downloading or committing to anything. I've also set up a bunch of upcoming assets, so if you want a sneak peek at what I'm working on next, from lightsabers to trampolines, you'll find it here first. Some of these will launch for free, while others will go live early through my Patreon. So let's look at what you need to do to find this world, as it is still in the Community Labs phase. If you're in-game and simply go to Worlds, your first instinct might be to hit Search, which may or may not work depending on how you have your game set up. What you need to do is go to Settings and type in Community, type in Community Labs. You need to have Show Community Labs enabled. This will allow you to see my world, as it's not a fully public one yet. It will be if we get enough visitors and positive feedback on the world. VRChat will make it a publicly accessible world. I'm not too worried about this, as well, I don't really know if it will be or not. That's okay. Once you do that, you can just go back to your Worlds tab and type in Akira's Asset Showcase, and it should be the number 1. You'll also see my name, VRC Akira. This will allow you to check out the world for yourself, whether you're just browsing or building your next project. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.